So like, do you like to like what are your hobbies? Hi. Hi. I think you're really pretty. Like really, I usually don't do this. Like I don't go. But I was like, I was sitting over there and it came here. I'm like, I have to tell you. So you're pretty. You're pretty. So like, do you so do you want to go out with me or?
I have a boyfriend. So.
What? I'm sorry.
I have.
You have a boyfriend?
Yeah.
No. How hard is it? How hard is it for me to find girls? You're like a nice girl, and like I just. So embarrassing. Okay, whatever. So you sure don't want to go out with me?
Yeah, I'm so
Please.
No.
Dang it. You're laughing at me. I'll give you my card. I'll give you my card so we can still be friends, okay? Facebook, Twitter, MySpace, Friendster, Zanga, High Five. Everything's there for you. It really hurt me, you know? No, I have a boyfriend. Oh my God, so embarrassing. What was that?